In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. Linking tables is one of the most powerful ways to turn a simple spreadsheet into a real relational database. It lets your information talk to each other, so instead of copying and pasting the same data into multiple places, you can connect it once and keep everything in sync. We'll start inside the table where you want the link to appear. Look along the top where you see all your existing field names, like name, status, or due date. On the far right, there's a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is how you add a new field, which will become your link to another table. When you click the plus, Airtable will ask you what kind of field you want. From the list of field types, choose Link to another record. This is different from a text field or a number field. Instead of storing raw text or values, it stores a connection to a record in another table. Next, Airtable will ask which table you want to link to. You have a few options here. First, you can pick an existing table in your base. For example, if you're in a projects table, you might link to a clients table that you've already set up. Just select that table from the drop-down. You can also create a brand new table on the fly. Choose the option to create a new table, and Airtable will automatically generate it based on the values you enter in this linked field going forward. This is handy if you realize you need a separate list, like a catalog of services or tags, but you don't want to build it manually first. There's also the option to link to the same table you're currently in. This is called self-linking. It's useful for relationships like parent and child tasks, or any situation where records in the same table need to reference each other. Before you finish, take a moment to configure the link settings. You'll see a toggle for allowing linking to multiple records. Turn this on if one record should be able to connect to many others, like one client linked to several projects. If each record should only link to one item, leave it off. You can also choose to limit record selection to a specific view. This is a great way to keep things clean by only showing relevant records when you're picking links. When you're happy with the settings, click Create Field. Airtable will automatically create a matching linked field in the target table, giving you a two-way connection between your tables.